Alrighty guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at different ways of selecting objects and shapes within your program. And yeah, this will be for TruCUT RDWorks. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Otherwise, here in the program, just so you guys know, this is going to be a mini series on selections. We're going to just be quickly going through all the different selection methods we can use to select shapes and objects within your design area. And I will also leave relevant links in the description so you guys can actually follow along. Now in today's video, we're going to be looking at your most common one, which is the select tool. We have covered this in previous videos on the drawbar and so forth, but now we're going to be going through all the different methods we can use. So right off the bat, we can just go here on our drawbar, select the select tool, and then you can click on the object that you want selected. Just keep in mind, click on a border of it or a line. Otherwise, as you can see, nothing happens. So once I click close enough to this line, it will select it. It can obviously be done with text as well and so forth. Then also something to keep in mind, when it is selected, it will obviously highlight, and you will see the little origin X and the control nodes right around it. That's how you know something is selected. Now there's another way we can do this with the same tool, and that's simply dragging a selection block over it using the left mouse button. So you'll left click, hold it in, and then you drag this boundary box over your object. But now just keep something in mind. If it is only as you can see there, over a portion of it, not over the whole thing, it will not select it. So it's quite important that this box must cover or go over all the edges. Then you have it selected. Now if for some reason your drawbar is not available, you can also locate the selection tool under your top main menu here under draw, and then we have select over there. As you can see, I say the control shortcut first, control 1. Let's just confirm, because sometimes that menu's shortcuts are not correct. So yeah, it would seem like I cannot, there's no shortcut for control 1, there's your straight lines. So you will have to manually go to your drawbar or select it over there on the actual draw panel. Now, yeah, so that's pretty much it on the selection tool or the select tool. So it's simply under your drawbar or your draw menu or your draw bar. And then just a recap, just click on any of the lines to select it or drag a selection box over it. Now something to keep in mind, if you've got multiple objects, you can use shift. So if I select this one, I keep shifting, select that one, we've got now multiple objects selected. So if we move that around, they will all move together. You can also use shift to deselect ones, so if you've accidentally selected the wrong one. But yeah, that is it on the select tool. It's a very handy tool and you do use it a lot. But before we carry on to the next way of selecting, if you guys head here to softwaretraining.co.za, you will notice we've got a variety of different softwares to do cover, and you can also isolate your search on the top right. If you do not, however, find the training videos you're looking for, just simply go here, request a training video, fill in the mini form, then we'll do our best to try and make that for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.